guys, today we were going to be doing a bow review. Sorry, my camera stands wobbly. All that. I am so sorry about that being wobbly or whatever. But we are going to be doing a bow review because archery is almost here on a Bowtech Soldier. If you can see that, Bowtech. I just got it restrung. We have new peep sight because I just do. I've got an Alex or something like that. No, an Apex gear. Oh, I'm sorry. An Apex gear sight. My balancer thing. Oh my gosh. I have a terrible dictionary right now. I had a brain fart. This is what most of you would call it, but on a Bowtech Soldier, we're going to be doing a bow review. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. If this video cuts out, it's because my battery is going to die. So, yeah, I wish I could bring you better content, but of course my cameras are down. And I have got these 6.5 Easton 500 arrows. And if you can see that target way out there, that's about 50 yards from where I'm. No, not 50. No, that's not even close to 50. What am I thinking? That's more like 20. Yeah, I need to get myself back in the game because archery's almost here. And well, I'm gonna shoot one off and I'm gonna shoot one off. Remember, odd color goes up. I hook my true fire release onto the D loop. I raise, keep my finger away from the trigger, pull back, look to the seat sight, and shoot. See, I am going to be doing more than just that one arrow. See, I've got another 6.5 Easton 500 arrow, and see odd color, clip onto string, put and quiver. Well, not quiver. The quiver's on over on the flatbed. I'm gonna clip this on, clip my release on, like again, draw back, finger up. That one might have been a little off, but maybe not. I'm gonna do one last one, just to get the feel of the bow a little bit. It's a carbon arrow, odd color up, clip it on, hook, release on. If you can see that, hook the release on, odd color up, and then you want to draw back. I want to use my stop pin. I think that was a good hit. Because I heard that smack. Smack. Patty whack, smack, smack. Okay. Now we're going to go check out the evidence. Not bad. Not bad. Really not bad. I almost split my arrow in half there. That one is in that black, so not bad. Especially for not being new. I mean, it's an older bow, but it's a Bowtech Soldier. I'm using a Buckshot by Morel. It's a BK-300 target, fueled point target. And, well, if you like reviews on bows or stuff like that, I can transfer that on my channel or something like that. But that's all up to you guys. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you don't, then this channel ain't for you. I mean, if you have, tell me what you like better in the comments. If you like bow reviews or restorations on vehicles better, because that takes a lot more time and effort for me to do the restorations than it does reviews and all that and stuff like that. But, well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and, well, I'm gonna see you next time.